A furious thunderstorm blew away the hut of some poor farmers. They barely managed to survive, but their home was completely destroyed, leaving them homeless and grief-stricken. Seeing their plight, the Hulk came to help them rebuild a strong house. At first, he tried to use magic to get the work done, but he failed. Undeterred, he rode his mini-tractor and brought all the necessary materials one by one. The rebuilding process then began. Cement and sand were mixed. Pillars were set up. And bricks were carefully laid in place. Windows and doors were installed, giving shape to a proper home. In the end, a strong paved cement house stood tall against all odds, providing the farmers with a safe and sturdy shelter once again.